Envision life unfolding in a landscape sculpted by hands. A calm sanctuary, sensuous and vibrant. An open door to a whole new experience. Alsons Properties, the premier developer that realized the trend-setting high-end projects Ladislao Garden Village, Woodridge Park, Las Terrazas, and Fernwood, continues to push the boundaries of quality community living with yet another prime community. Inspired, embraced, designed by nature. North Crest, absorbing the beauty of its scenery, envisioning a new blueprint for quality. Situated in Cabantian, Davao City, North Crest has access to all the modern comforts and conveniences of the city. The village is only a short 10-minute drive from the Davao International Airport and is also near to other prime residential communities and commercial centers. This 40-hectare premium residential property promises a strong and active connection with the life in the city, while providing an exceptionally peaceful living experience. In a manner Alsons Properties is known for, North Crest is created in harmony with the beauty of the natural surroundings. Feel the richness of the Asian ethos as North Crest recreates life in the Asian tropical style. Its houses embracing the magnificent outdoors as part of the living space. Open verandas, living rooms, and dining rooms allow the gardens and the natural landscape to blend into each other and extend seamlessly to the house itself. Watch the colors of nature come alive in the rich tones echoed by your very own home. It comes complete with recreation facilities to make living in North Crest even more enjoyable. Take quiet strolls along tree-lined streets or lounge by the poolside. This is North Crest, offering you a lifestyle of ease and comfort, striking a wonderful balance between the convenience of the metropolis and the serenity of being at home with nature. It is nature, inspiring you, embracing you, beckoning your home. Live life to the fullest at North Crest.